Hi, welcome to this EstimatorXpress video. In this video I shall be using the Synchronise tool within the Pricebook tab of an estimate. Now this tool, as shown here on my ribbon, is used for several reasons, and they can range from you have created a new resource while in the course of estimating a job and you have to add in a bespoke item or just create a variation of what's existing within there. And if you wish to use that material in a future estimate, then you can use the Synchronise tool to send that material back to the master price book. You can also use that method as well if you have changed the price of a resource. So if you want to save that new price change from either a singular or multiple resources back to the master price book, you can use the Synchronise tool. Going the other way, if you have an estimate and it's been, say, sat on the shelf for a little while and you want to send it out but with updated prices, you can use the Synchronise tool to bring in the updated prices from your master price book after you've done a price book download from the front page of the software. You also may wish to use this to bring in new resources that have been added to your price book if you have purchased a bonus pack for the software and you want to make use of those new workbooks, or if workbooks have become available through updates to the software. And finally, you have the option there as well to synchronize your price book back to the master price book after you've imported an estimate on a fresh install of EstimatorXpress, so you can bring with you your updated customized prices, customized resources, and add them to the new install. Now, I'm currently in the materials section of my price book, and I'm going to come up to the ribbon here and click Synchronize. This brings up the price book synchronization tool, and it will give me several options. Firstly, it will give me the option to only synchronize the materials section of the price book. Now this is relevant to the fact that I am in the materials section. If I was in the labor section of the price book, it will only synchronize the labor section. Alternatively, I can select to synchronize all sections of the price book, so all 5 sections will be updated simultaneously. Currently I'm only going to select the materials section. I do have on here as well a tick box to say I want to download the latest material prices from the online catalogue. On the next page, I have an option to synchronize all resources and prices, or synchronize only new resources and their associated prices. Now, if I was to select synchronize all resources and their prices, then either which way I go, it will overwrite everything that has an older date than that material resources dates in there as well. So currently I have October 7th 2015 is when these prices were last updated in this price book for this estimate. Now if I was to do synchronize from the master to this price book, they would all get overwritten with the new prices as these prices are older. If you are sending from an estimate back to the master price book, then it will only overwrite material prices that are older within that estimate. This is key if you are using it as a backup feature. If you want to make sure your adjustments are as they are, you won't want to update your master price book before doing your synchronization. You want to leave that till after all your synchronization is done. The other option is to synchronize only new resources and their associated prices. Now it may mean that you've made some changes within this estimate and you've also added some custom resources, and you only want to send the custom resources back to the master price book, or as mentioned previously, you have had a bonus pack added to your software or new materials have come available with new workbooks in the software via updates, and you want to add them into an existing estimate without changing the prices of existing materials. So we can specify everything or just the new stuff. I'm going to select all resources and prices for this task, and I click Next, and then I get asked which direction. Now I can say from the master price book to this price book, so that's any new resources and the updated prices will come into the estimate. I have from this price book to the master price book, which is the one you want to select if you are using your estimate as a backup and you're sending all your custom items back into the master price book so you can continue estimating in new jobs with those resources. And we have both ways as well, so it makes sure that everything's matching up. New prices come across, new materials come across, and new materials are sent back as well. For this, I'm going to say from the master price book to this price book, and then I'm going to click Finish. So what the software has done now, it's done the Synchronise for me, and it's going to give me a little summary here of what the Pricebook Synchronise has completed. So it's added 68 resources to my secondary price book, that being the price book of the estimate itself, and it's also updated 14,912 prices as well. So I've got several links hidden in the background, so I have quite a few materials available in my price book, and they all have had updates to them. As you can see now, when I click OK, it will give me a date down here as to when I done my last price book download. So if I was to exit this estimate now, do a price book download again, and then enter this estimate and synchronize again, that date will change once again. That there is the general usage of the Synchronise tool. So if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to give the support team a call on 0117 916 7899. That's 0117 916 7899. Thank you.